A very good evening to one and all. Welcome to Dr. SNS Radhalakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to explain about the case study about a famous brand. Yes, by seeing this picture, we can understand which brand it is. Yes, it's Apple's sustainable competitive advantage through this strategic management. We'll see now how it happens, why Apple is very famous, and how it is maintaining its sustainable growth. So we'll see now. Apple is a global leader in consumer electronics and software digital services, known for its innovative products like iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watches, and it has a consistency outperformance competitor through the effective strategic management. Why? What are the challenges? What are the strategic challenges of Apple? So maintaining the innovation, managing the global supply chain. Next is combining competitive uh, adoptions. Next, adopting the changing consumer preferences. We'll see now strategic approaches. Like, what are the strategic approaches that they are following? Like unique product designs and premium quality. So this design is a uniqueness, and it is a ever exist in the premium, and the quality of the product is very premium, and it's to be a very integrated hardware and software system, and it is a superior user and experience, which ultimately it is a uniqueness, and it's a vertical integrations, controls both hardware and software OS systems. Services like Apple Music, Apple Store, and hardware increases, and many more. Like brand positioning is another thing. Like branding is a marketed as a luxury and lifestyle brand, higher consumer loyalty and emotional brands. So it all about how it can happens. Like Apple is a global leader in the market. So managing the global supply chains and combine competitive challenges, changing the consumer preferences. So depends upon this. It is maintaining its sustainability. So supply chain and operation strategies, outsource manufacturing, but with the various quality control, maintains the control over the inventory and product availabilities. So innovative R&D, heavy investment R&D, like uh, $26 million in 2023. So acquisition of small tech like startups for boost internal capabilities. So it's strategic outcomes. What are the strategic? So by applying all this, what is the strategic outcomes? So metrics and outcomes, market capabilities, like over a 2.5 trillion dollars as of 2024. Like profit margin is among the highest in tech. Echo's engagement is 1.5 billion active devices globally. Service revenues foster the growing segments. So these are their strategic outcomes. So key reason from Apple strategies. So first one is a consistency in vision. So, what is a consistency in vision means staying true to user, focused on design and first strategy. Like ecosystem, and it builds a eco-friendly system, like creates a high switching cost, long-term loyalty, innovation culture, continuous improvement, and it is thinking in a very innovative method. What are the global strategy they are following? Like global strategy, smart locations, pricing for the different markets. So at last, the conclusion, what we want to say about this strategic management is all about Apple. The Apple strategic management has enabled it to sustain its competitive edge for a decades. There is no years and years, it's all about decades through the differentiation, differentiation in a vertical and integration and consistency innovation. Apple has a true insight into the one of the most valuable and admired company in the world. So why the reason is existing is depends upon the user friendly as well as its brand. So this is what they maintain a sustainable competitive advantages through the strategic management. This is a small example about this case study. Thank you for giving the opportunity.